Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let me be real with you. If you're looking at the Onkyo TX-RZ50, you're not doing this just for streaming music or casual sound, you're building a full-blown home theater experience. You want reference-level power, extreme flexibility, immersive Atmos sound, and tech so advanced you'll forget you ever considered anything less. Before we dig deeper, check the first link below for current pricing and availability. These high-end AV receivers don't stick around on sale for long. Here's what happened when I upgraded. I was working with an older AVR that did okay, but I kept thinking there's got to be something more immersive, more cinema level in my own room. When I switched to the TX-RZ50, that moment of good enough vanished. From the first movie night I sat down for, the soundscape, depth, and presence shifted, everything changed. I realized I shouldn't wait another year to upgrade again. In real life it delivers. This receiver pushes up to 120 watts per channel into 8 ohms, with 9.2 channels of amplification built in, and up to 11.2 channels of processing power when you use pre-outs for advanced setups. It supports Dolby Atmos, DTS:X, IMAX Enhanced, THX Certified Select Performance, HDMI 2.1 with 8K per 60 Hz or 4K per 120 Hz pass-through, VAR, ALLM, and full room correction with Dirac Live. Nothing here is just okay, it's seriously future-proof. Once you switch from basic surround to high channels, virtual Atmos, multiple zones, and ultra-high-res audio, going back feels like a step down. Quick reminder, check availability right now while you're watching. If this model's deal is live, jump on it. You might have doubt, is it too much for my room, or do I need this many channels? Here's the truth, once you hear a film scene where sound moves above you, firstly you won't forget it, and secondly you'll find yourself circling right back to this exact receiver because nothing else nails that combination of premium audio, video pass-through, room correction, and flex. Don't end up researching for weeks and then paying more later for the wheel settle option. Owning this gives you serious confidence. You're not just upgrading, you're making a statement. You open your setup, you push play, and you know you've committed to greatness. No compromise. No maybe next year. Pro Cinema reference surround and high channel support that immerse you loads of processing power so you're set for any future format. High quality build and room correction tech make every speaker behave future ready. HDMI 2.1 and gaming features so your system grows not ages. Flexible zone and multi-room capabilities for full home coverage. Cons: premium price reflects the flagship status. Setup and calibration may be more involved than a basic receiver if you're still comparing and thinking. Stop. You already know this is the gear for serious home theater lovers. Trust your instinct and invest once, enjoy every single night without compromise. Check the first link now and see if it's available at a deal. If it is, grab it. Don't wait. Massive changes don't wait for perfect timing.